Jade kuongea. Ni record nayo.
Ningekuwa ishawaka ningekuwa nishako.
Hello guys, it's Nyabula again. Welcome to this channel. And if you have been watching this channel and you are yet to subscribe and you like our content, kindly do so that whenever I produce a video like this, YouTube will always let you know. So there's somebody here who has at least 2,000 goats. Yeah, so let's hear from him, see what he's doing, so that we can know some of the tricks he has, whether the sale of sheep and goat is a lucrative business as people do think. Yeah, so let's see the number of goats he has and sheep combined. So unfortunately the guy has refused to talk on camera. He's a little bit shy. So guys, as you can see, I don't have more information about goat and sheep farming. So kindly, if you know something to do with this, comment down in the comment section and tell me what it takes to have this number of sheep and goats. So they have a water point here. See, this is where they drink their water. So this is what they drink. So guys, I don't know what you think. What do you think of goat farming? Is it lucrative? Because this guy has told me that he can't complain. The business is good. And being that he's keeping them in Nairobi, which has the highest consumption of meat in Kenya, that definitely tells that this guy is making good money out of this. Yeah, just look at the number of sheep and goats he has. So we are at Kasarani, next to Moi International Sports Center that is currently under construction in preparation for CHAN games. So I came here and I was lucky to find this shepherd. Yeah, so though he has refused to speak on camera, yeah, so I'll just go ahead without interviewing him. This is total wealth. In traditional African society, if you had this number of livestock, you are considered a very rich man. And until up to now, people regard people with such huge flock of livestock to be rich. Yeah, because these are just but disposable income. You can sell them at any point whenever you have a problem. Somebody has just bought one. See, that just bought one, and he's also selling them while looking after them. So if you have money, you can just buy from them. Yeah. This is a huge flock, guys. If you have this, you're definitely rich. So these are the herders. There are 3 herders. Yeah, there are 3 herders. And since they have refused to speak on camera, I'll let them be. But I hope you are enjoying this goat farming right inside Nairobi. So Nairobi, being a concrete jungle, it's hard to find where you can graze them. So this person just found area next to Kasarani Sports Center to be the only place where you can find grass and other vegetation that these animals can consume. Yeah, so these are huge numbers. So you are also helping me to graze. Yeah. Somebody is just asking them if they have sold one. Yeah, you saw that guy with the motorbike carrying a goat. Yeah, he bought it. So there. It's very hot afternoon. The sun is hitting the ground. You know, it's January, guys. So the sun is unforgiving. And those are some of the hard price that shepherd has to pay. Because so guys, he has told us to stop, and him being the owner of these animals, I'll let him be. Yeah, so see you next time in our next video as we keep exploring this world. Yeah, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that when I produce such content, YouTube will always let you know. Yeah.